Hey everyone. Welcome back to the quick modeling and rendering series. This is part 4 of the series. If you have not watched previous videos, the link is given in description below, or you can click on I button in the top of video. In this part we will learn use of Sweep Profile Script. Watch the video till end, to learn how to make complex profiles in a Swift. So, let's get started. Make a copy of slab. And delete the extrude modifier. We need the outer spline of slab, to act as guide path, for our sweep profile. Use the Sweep Profile Script, to create the molding design. If you want me to make a detailed video about how to use this script, please leave a comment below. Repeat the same process for the first floor slab. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep pushing pixels. If you have liked this video, give a thumbs up. Your actions encourage me to keep making such videos, and deliver best content. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or requests, please leave a comment below. Have a great day.